Hello and welcome to our Strom Streaming video tutorial series. In this video, I will demonstrate how to restream a broadcast from Strom Cloud to YouTube. The restream functionality is useful when you aim to live stream simultaneously to multiple platforms and social media sites such as YouTube, Facebook and Twitter, in addition to our main broadcast on Strom Cloud. Let's get started. In order to restream a broadcast into YouTube, we will have to acquire two basic pieces of information. The first being the stream key and the other being the stream URL. Log into your YouTube account and go to Studio page. Once there, click Create from top right menu and select Go Live option. Now in the middle of the screen, you can see a hidden stream key, and below you will find stream URL. Log into Strom Streaming Cloud control panel and select Restream targets. You can also add a target while creating a new stream, but it's always easier to have it saved before. Now click Create Target button, put some name like YouTube, and confirm by clicking Create Target button. In the next step, select YouTube from the list and fill our URL field. First paste stream URL, add a slash, and paste stream key. Since YouTube does not use any authorization system except for stream key, select None for authorization. Let's save changes and head to one of our streams. Just select an existing stream or create a new one. In the Restream Target section, just select previously created target and click Save Changes. That's all. There are, however, a couple of things you have to remember. First of all, anyone who has access to your Strom Cloud control panel can now look up your main YouTube stream key. The stream is going to be published on YouTube the moment you publish a stream on Strom Streaming Cloud, and will stay active as long as the source is active or you unpublish the stream. Let's see how it works in practice. My broadcast is currently set up to restream to just one platform, YouTube. I already have my encoder up and running, so I'll just publish the stream and now we'll check the results on YouTube. As you can see, the stream is visible here as well. That's all. Thanks for watching, and please check our other video tutorials and documentation page where everything I presented now is described in more detail. You will find the link in the description.